Hello everyone, my name is Christine Chage. I work at Eastern Africa as a solutions engineer, and we are going to be looking at how we can add feature layers using ArcGIS Maps SDK for JavaScript. And I'm just going to start first of all by having an empty map that we are going to now add our feature layers from. And just a small description, a feature layer is a dataset in a hosted feature service, and each feature layer contains features with a single geometry type that can either be a point, a line, or a polygon, and accompanied by a set of attributes. And we can use our feature layers to store, access, and manage large amounts of geographic data for our applications. And for this tutorial, we're going to use URLs to access and display two different types of feature layers. That is a line feature layer for a road network and a polygon feature layer for an administrative boundary. Okay, so before you perform this functionality, you need to have a credential from ArcGIS location platform or ArcGIS online, and also you need to have generated your API keys before. So to start us off, I am going to first paste my API key I'm going to paste my API key here, and then I can change the base map for my map from topographic. I am going to now use navigation, S3 navigation base map, and since we are using CodePen, the changes are automatic. And then in my map div, or in my map container, I want to change the center of my map. So I'm going to paste, or I'm going to type in the coordinates from Nairobi. So for longitude, we are going to use 36.817223. For latitude, it's -1.286389. Then we can just change the zoom level from 13 to about 10. Okay, so in the require statement, I'm going to add my feature layer module. So we are going to add s3/layers/feature layer, and then inside the function we are also going to add feature layer, so that it allows us to now add feature layers from an ArcGIS Online account. So the next part, we are going to add our line feature, or our line geometry type. So we are going to create another one. So small letters, const, because we are adding a roads layer, so I can just call it roads layer equals to new feature layer. And then I'm going to now paste the URL for my feature layer. Okay, and then paste it inside that variable. and then we can now add this to our map. So map dot add roads layer, okay, and then we can see if that actually loads. Yes, so we have successfully added a road network to our map. And then the next bit, we can now add our administrative boundary, that is Nairobi administrative boundary. So to do that, I'm going to have another one. So const, we can call it Nairobi layer equals to new feature layer, and then we can have now the URL for our map, for our polygon. So I'm just going to copy paste this from my ArcGIS Online account. Close that, and then we can also add this layer to our map, and then we are going to use the indexing of so this previous one, we can have it as indexed as an item 0, so that the other layer, we index it as 1. So we say map dot add Nairobi layer as 1, as an index of 1 semicolon. So what we have in our custom application, we have been able to use the JavaScript SDKs to add a roads layer and an administrative layer using the API key that we previously generated. Thank you.